My name is Ryan Hallstrom, and I am a lead tester. What we do is we load our programs and options for the customers. From there, we actually run the machines and we hook them up and make sure that they're actually running properly. Before ShopSabre, I actually produced conveyor systems for UPS and FedEx. So I did a lot of fabrication, welding, and installation for them. From ShopSabre, I was really drawn to how we evolved with our CNC machines. When I first started 7 years ago, it was a very small family-owned business, and it was just a great family to work for. Outside of work, I actually do a lot of woodworking myself. I do a lot of hand carving, your basic woodworking skills with the laser engraver. I also do a lot of backpacking, going up to the Boundary Waters, and in there I usually do a lot of photography as well. In the past, I worked on a project that had a four-headed spindle. We had to really develop how to create it, how to make it work, how to make it fully operational, and that was really one of the coolest projects I've ever worked on. I think customers would really appreciate how hard our team works and strives for creating really good products, how proud we actually are of making our CNC machines. Everyone works very hard. You know, we are a very tight family out here, and that's really something to be proud of.